This video will guide you through installation instructions for your Sissy Bar Pad. A Sissy Bar Pad offers a comfortable backrest to recline against when on the road. Your Sissy Bar Pad will come with installation instructions and a hardware kit. Depending on the finish of your Sissy Bar, you can either get a matte or chrome mounting bracket. For installation, you will need a combination wrench. First, loosen the bolts in the mounting bracket. Place the pad on the Sissy Bar and find a suitable position to mount. Once you find a suitable position, tighten the bolts using the combination wrench. Congratulations! You have successfully installed your Sissy Bar Pad, and now you are ready to ride.